Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make acne black soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. In making this acne black soap, you will need lemon, which lightens the skin. It fixes dark spots, eczema, skin discoloration, acne, and it exfoliates the skin. You need lime, which helps in fading dark spots, acne, skin discoloration. It prevents wrinkles and it helps in getting rid of age spots. You need Ghana black soap, which helps in treating acne. It reduces fine lines, eczema, it fades dark spots, and it exfoliates the skin. You need whitening glycerin, which moisturizes the skin. It reduces hyperpigmentation, acne, and dark spots. You need sandalwood oil, which helps in fading scars. It prevents acne and skin rashes. It heals itching and inflammation. It moisturizes the skin and soothes sunburn. You need preservatives to help the soap last longer. And you need rose oil, which hydrates the skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It unclogs pores. It minimizes the appearance of large pores. It soothes skin irritation and it lightens the skin. So in a clean bowl, I already have about 50 grams of Ghana black soap and put in 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm now putting 6 tablespoons of lime juice. I'm putting 3 tablespoons of rose water. Next, I'm putting 3 tablespoons of whitening glycerin. After which, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of sandalwood oil. I'm now putting 1 teaspoon of preservatives, after which I'll mix. So I'll keep this soap for about 24 hours to melt completely. You can also double boil it to melt, but I prefer leaving it for 24 hours to melt. Now it's completely melted. I'll just mix it a little before transferring it into my clean container. This liquid black soap is to be used only at night. It sprays dark spots, acne, pimples, white skin patches, eczema, skin discoloration, and other skin related issues. All you need to do is to apply it on the affected area and rinse it off immediately. This acne black soap can be used by all skin types and tone. It is completely natural, so there are no side effects. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.